Okay, I'm going to make a quick video to show you an issue I'm having sharing YuJa links with faculty. So I'm here in our YuJa instance, endicott.yuja.com. I made a video in just a few moments ago and I uploaded it. And as you can see, it plays fine here. I'll just quickly hit play and it plays fine. So what I want to do now is basically share the link to that video with some teachers. So I click here and more, and I see there's something here called links. So I assume I could just copy and paste this direct link. That would be a good way for teachers to use it. So I copy this, and as a way to kind of test it, I'm just going to go into a totally different browser and put in that URL and hit return. And then when I start playing this link, it just flashes like this. It's not, doesn't appear to be moving along the timeline, so it's not something I want to share with people. So anyway, if you could tell me what's going on, that would be great. Thanks.